Next topic is percent or percentage change. So how we are getting change in percentage? Simply there are two ways. First, when we are having increment or increase in one quantity, then we are having change in percent in the form of increment. Then second is what? Decrease. Either increase or decrease, then we will have change in percentage. Okay. So when we are having increase in percent, okay, so the formula for that, increase in the value upon original value into 100. This is about when you are having increase in quantity, increase in percent or increase in value. Okay. The same is for decrease. Only you have to write decrease in the value upon original value into 100. So quantity अगर increase होती है, the formula increase in the value upon original value into 100 होगा. अगर quantity decrease होती है तो decrease in the value upon original value into 100. Now how we can identify that in the question we are having value increasing or decreasing? That is very simple. When you will read the question, you will get idea that this question is about increment, this question is about increase or decrease. Okay. So starting exercise 8C. First question, the salary of a man is increased from rupees 600 per month to rupees 850 per month. So in this question clearly it is given increase from, that means we have to use formula of increase. Okay. So the first statement is what? Original salary of man. Original salary of a man equals to rupees 600. Now in the question it is given increased salary. So increased salary equals to rupees 850. Now we have to find increase in amount. Increase in amount means increase in salary. So 850 minus 600. So rupee 250 is the increment he is getting new. 250 rupees increment हुआ है उसकी सैलरी में. Okay. Now we have to find percentage change. So for the percentage change, formula is increase in value upon original value into 100. So increase in value, simply 250 rupees increasing amount. So 250 upon original value, original is 600 which he was getting in the starting, 600 into 100. So 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Then 2 3 ja, 2 5 ja, 25 into 5, 125 upon 3. So 125 upon 3 percentage is required answer. Further you can convert this into mixed fraction, that is also okay. Okay. So like this you have to solve questions. So this is about question number 1. The man in the starting was getting 800, then he got 850 after increment. So 250 rupees per month he is getting increment. That change we have to find. So change is 125 upon 3%. Next question, question number 2, increase. So all the questions are same. Okay, I'm solving that third one. 48 by 12, 1 by 2%. We have to increase this 48 by this number, sorry, this percent. Okay, then we will add. So first is rate of increase 12, 1 by 2%, which you can convert into improper fraction. 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 by 2, 25 by 2%. Okay, now we have to find increase, or we have to find the 12 1 by 2% of 48, then we will add it to 48. 12 1 by 2% निकालेंगे पहले 48 का, फिर जो भी आएगा उसको 48 में ऐड कर देंगे. ओके, सो 25 by 2% of 48. So 25 upon 2. For the percent we have to write 100 in denominator into 48. So 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 12 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So we got here 6. Okay. So increased number, now we will find increased number equals to, original number is 48, so we will write 48 plus new number, increased number is 6, so 54. 54 is the required answer for this question. Okay, so question number 2 you can solve. When you are having question of increase, first you will find 12 1 by 2% of this 48, then you will add the value in it. 12 1 by 2% निकालेंगे पहले 48 का, फिर जो भी आएगा उसको 48 में ऐड कर देंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन किसका है? इंक्रीज का है. क्वेश्चन है इंक्रीज का. ओके, सिमिलरली इन डिक्रीज यू विल फाइंड द परसेंट फर्स्ट, देन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड, 3 questions are there, no? I am solving second one. 300 by 10%. So rate of decrease, rate of decrease equals to 10%. Okay, now we will find 10% of that 300. So decrease 300 by 10% equals to 10% of 300. So 10% can be written as 10 by 100. कभी भी किसी डिजिट के साथ अगर परसेंट सिंबल होता है तो वो नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 100 आता है, into 300. So these two zeros get cancelled. 10 into 3, 30. Okay, so 30 is 10% of 300. So decrease is given to us na, so simply we will subtract 30 from this 300. So decreased number equals to 300 minus 30. Okay, so your answer is 270. So in this way you have to solve question number 3. Question number 4. What number when increased by 10% becomes 88? Then when increased by 15% becomes 230. When decreased by 15% becomes 170. So one question of increase and one question of decrease I am explaining. The remaining one you have to solve. Okay. So I am solving question number 4 first. What number when increased by 10% becomes 88? Let the number be 100. Okay, now increased by 10%, increased by 10%, that means 10% of 100. So 10 upon 100 into 100. So 100 1 ja, 100 1 ja. We got here 10. So the increase is 10. So now we will find increased number. As you know how to find increased number, simply increased number निकालने के लिए जो आपने assume किया है उसको और जो increase आया है उसको दोनों को ऐड करना है. ये कितना आ गया 110. ओके. So now if increased number is 110, then the original number that we have assumed is 100. Okay. So if increased number is 88 given in the question, then original number will be 100 upon 110 into 88. Okay, so this 0 and 0 get cancelled. 11 1 ja, 11 8 ja, then 10 8 ja, 80. So this is your required answer. By this way you can solve, or one more way that you can solve by that through x. Okay. Now the same question you can solve by that x. So when increase by 10%, so first let that number is x. So first increase by 10%. Okay. So now in this question increase is given. Increase given है तो increase में add होता है. तो सबसे पहले आप लिखेंगे ओरिजिनल नंबर जो x है प्लस इंक्रीज ऑफ नंबर. कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है 10%. तो 10% ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 88. सो x प्लस 10% मीन्स वॉट 10 by 100 into x equals to 88. 0 and 0 get cancelled. X plus x by 10 equals to 88. Now find LCM. So 10 into x will be 10x. 1 into x will be 1x upon 10 equals to 88. Okay. So now 10x plus 1x will be 11x. Transpose this 10 to the right hand side. So 88 into 10. Now x equals to what? 88 into 10 divided by 11. 11 1 ja, 11 8 ja, 8 10 ja, 80. So that number is 80. Through this also you can solve. Okay. This is very easy. First you have to you have assumed the original number. Okay. Then after original number increment is given, so plus, decrease is given, so minus. Okay. Question number 4, third. When decrease by 15% becomes 170, let the number be x. So first you will write x, that original, minus why minus, because decrease is given, that's why minus. Then 15%. So 15% of x becomes 170, so equals to 170. So x minus 15%, that means 15 by 100. Of stands for multiplication, so into x equals to 170. Now 5 3 ja, 5 20 ja. So x minus 3x by 20 equals to 170. Now find LCM. So 20 into x, 20x minus 1 into 3x, 3x upon 20 equals to 170. Okay. So now 20x minus 3x will be 17x, and transposing this 20 to the right hand side. So 170 into 20. Now x equals to what? 170 into 20 upon 17. So 17 1 ja, then 17 10 ja, 170. So 10 into 20, 200. X equals to 200. So that number is 200. Okay. So like this you can solve. I think this one method is easy as compared to previous one. If you are having increase, so write first original x, then plus increase of x equals to given number. If you are having decrease, so write x minus decrease of x equals to given number. Okay. So question number 4 you have to solve. Then